The tiger, nature's perfect predator, a symbol of power, and one of the most endangered big cats in the world. Tigers are the largest big cats, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms. They can run up to 40 miles per hour, 65 kilometers per hour, and have a bite force of 1,050 psi, stronger than a lion's. No two tigers have the same pattern, like human fingerprints. There are 6 living tiger subspecies. Bengal tiger, the most common one, and found in India and Bangladesh. Siberian tiger, the largest one, and found in Russia. Indo-Chinese tiger, found in Southeast Asia. Malayan tiger, found in Malaysia. The South China tiger is the most endangered tiger in the world, now sadly extinct in the wild. Sumatran tiger, the smallest one, and found in Indonesia. Tigers are powerful ambush predators that rely on stealth, strength, and strategy to take down their prey. Unlike cheetahs, which use speed, tigers depend on their camouflage, patience, and explosive power to succeed in a hunt. One lion or tiger will eat between 30 to 40 pounds of meat every day, but sometimes eat up to 100 pounds in one sitting. They will eat approximately 800 pounds of meat every month. You will spend around $300 per week to feed on tiger or lion. Cougars and leopards will eat on average 100 pounds of meat each week. Tigers usually hunt alone instead of in groups, and some tigers only need to eat once every couple of days, especially if they catch a large animal. Even though they usually hunt alone, a tiger will still share its food with family members. Tigers are strong hunters. Tigers mostly hunt deer, wild boar, buffalo, and sometimes even crocodiles. Tigers are excellent swimmers and often drag prey into the water to drown them, especially if hunting in swamps or near rivers. But unfortunately, tigers have lost over 95% of their historical range due to urbanization agriculture, and deforestation. Expanding human settlements and infrastructure, roads, dams, and farms destroy tiger habitats, forcing them into smaller areas. Example: the Sundarbans mangrove forest, home to Bengal tigers, is shrinking due to rising sea levels and deforestation. In 1900, there were over 100,000 wild tigers. Today, only about 3,500 tigers remain in the wild. Tigers are often hunted for their skins, bones, and other body parts. Tigers are a critically endangered species with less than 3,500 members left in the wild. Hunting of tigers is banned everywhere at all times, excepting animals that have been determined a danger to humans and are not able to be relocated to other habitats. To support this unique animal, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell button to be notified whenever we post a new video. Have you ever seen this amazing animal up close? Tell us in the comments section. And thanks for watching this video.